Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will continue with the safari segment. I got a lot of you actually asking for more of like animal prints because they're super quick to do for salon work and they're super fun to recreate. So this is what we are going to be doing today. I hope you will enjoy it as well. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so now we are gonna be doing tiger print. I already covered leopard, I covered zebra, and I covered giraffe print. So to extend our little safari family, we will do now tiger print. So I was just searching for a color that I think would match the best. So here I have, this is from Yana Nails, it's called Spicy Congore. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, it's a beautiful kind of between orange and brown shade. I love it for autumn. I love it even for summer. I think it's super gorgeous. It's really unique. It's one of those colors that I don't think you can find that easily. So we will be using this as a background. So as per usual, my tip I didn't make it. So my tip, I just buffed it. So I prepared my tip before I apply the color. I prepared my tip, and now I'm gonna be using my brush for gel color that looks like this, and I will apply color on my tip. So here we have our tip, here we have our color, and now it's time to apply it. So just dipping my brush in and lightly let's cover the whole tip. I'm gonna do 2 layers, even though this color is pigmented, but I will do 2 thin layers. When I work with gel colors, I always prefer to use 2 thin layers rather than 1 bigger layer, just so everything kind of gets cured nicer. I'm gonna apply just a second layer, again very thin. And very light touch. I love this shade. It's kind of like a pumpkin shade. And my favorite season actually is autumn, and I do love spring as well. So we'll pop this in a lamp for the full curing time. Okay guys, now it's time to apply the matte top coat. So I will just apply a thin layer of matte top coat, and again pop it in a lamp for the full curing time. Okay, so here we have our tip now. So I'm just dipping my brush into the black color, and now we need to create the print effect. So tiger kind of has the lines. It's kind of similar like we did with zebra actually. Instead of the white though, we have this orangey color. So I would say it's quite similar, but it's super fun to do. So I will start from one side, then on the other. So it has to be also irregular. And lightly pull. I will also pull another one from here, and I will make it a little bit more thicker at the end here. Now I will do one line above this one, and I will do the other side too. So the other side I will do a line here. And going down. We'll try to kind of connect. Well, I'm not gonna connect them all the way. I will just make this one a little bit more closer towards the other one, just like that. But you see, I left a little bit of gap there. Okay, and repeating throughout the whole tip, just doing irregular lines, one thinner, one thicker. Just play around. You can flash cure in between, which we are gonna do now in a second. And one here. Okay, and I will do a line here because I can see I have a little bit of space there. I mean, we can leave it like that, but I want to fill it out. So I'll just do what, like on one side, a little bit. And let's move on. Here now I will leave kind of like an eye shape and then connect it back in the middle. From that point, I will do one line that goes here, and also I will do like it's open and thicker a little bit here. And I will just keep going. I know I said we were gonna flash cure it in between, but honestly, when you work with the genie, because it's thicker, I really don't think it's necessary. I think it's just perfect because it's not gonna run anywhere. Where you put it, it's gonna stay there. So I love this product. And nothing is sponsored. Whatever I say in the video that I like, it's my own personal opinion. I buy all of my products myself, so I don't want you to feel like, oh, you know, I'm selling something. I'm truly not. I'm just telling you what I love, what I'm used to working with, what I tried and I truly loved. So just so you know. Okay, I will continue further. And with the tiger, I like to follow one direction. So if I go diagonal, I will continue to go diagonal. Okay, because when you look at the print, the lines don't necessarily go all around. It just kind of follows the same direction, even though there may be one is a little bit higher, another one is a little bit lower, but at the end of the day, they're kind of following the same direction. Tiny bit more left, a few more lines, and then we will put it in a lamp. And the last line I will do here. Okay, now I think it's ready to go in a lamp, and we will put it in a lamp for the full curing time. Guys, now after this has been fully cured, I will add a little bit of that lighter brown inside of those eye circle-y shapes that we did. One here, one there. Here, do one here, and we'll do one there. Okay, and now I will put this back in a lamp for curing time. Taking my shiny top coat. First I'm gonna do it here. And on this one here. And this one here. I want to do it here. You can do it all of them, but you don't have to. So it's really up to you. Nail art is all about the fun. make sure you don't go on the orange background because that's matte, so you don't really want to put it on the matte. And I want to do lovely. Let's pop it in. This is the finished result. Hope you can see it. There we go. So you see it's super cool because we have the shiny parts and we have also the matte parts. So it's just, I love this technique because it's so easy to do, it's super fast to do for salon, and it just gives that little bit more eye-catching effect as well. But if you don't like that, you can do the whole surface matte or everything shiny. Honestly, there is no rules here. So this is our take on the tiger print. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will recreate this. You see how fun it is to actually mix a little bit of textures. Some parts leave matte, the other to do shiny. But if you don't like that look, go ahead, put the matte top coat all over it, or it can be shiny. No rules here, but if you do recreate it, I would love to see it. And please, if you do like it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I really do appreciate you. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, ciao.